Hi everyone. Today we discuss about process management. So what is a process? Process is a program in execution. It needs CPU time, memory, files, and I/O devices. It is a basic unit of work in an operating system. So a process is a program that is currently running. It needs resources like CPU, memory files, and devices to work. It is the main unit the operating system manage to get tasks done. So, what is a process management? Process management is how the OS handles processes. It involves creating, scheduling, and controlling processes, ensures smooth execution and resource sharing. So, process management is how the OS handles running program. It creates, schedules, and controls them to run smoothly and share resources. Example: opening multiple apps like Chrome and Word at the same time. The OS manage which runs first and how they share memory and CPU. Function of process management. Process creation and termination. The OS starts new processes and ends them when they finish or are closed. So process creation and termination starts and end program. CPU scheduling. The OS chooses which process gets to use the CPU next. So the CPU scheduling decide which program runs on the CPU next. So process synchronization ensures processes work together safely when sharing data or resources. So process synchronization makes sure program sharing data don't conflict. So inter-process communication or IPC allows processes to exchange data and messages. So interprocess or IPC let programs and send data to each other. Deadlock detection and handling. The OS identifies when processes are stuck waiting on each other and takes action to resolve the situation. So deadlock handling is to fix situation where programs are stuck together, stuck waiting for each other. Importance of process management. Ensure efficient system performance, improves multitasking and CPU utilization, prevents complex and resource issues, maintains system stability and reliability. And that's all. Thank you.